People are wondering if they ordered the right mount for a wide carabiner or if they needed to order a narrow one. That's how it looks. What could be the options? Usually for a wide carabiner, we put it under the swivel. It fits perfectly into our swivel and the weight is evenly distributed across the entire propeller. Everything works correctly. But let's suppose you don't have a swivel with a wide fork. Instead, you have a typical carabiner. We can even take our typical carabiner. If we use it, technically, it will also work. It doesn't look great, but it is still workable. The end smokes, the weight is not equally distributed, it is only at the edges. With time, the hinge will slightly deform. For instance, if we take a carabiner like this, the situation will be better. But truth is, there is an angle here, and the belt will slightly go downhill. Yet this option is better for work if there is no swivel with a wide fork. Another option is to simply buy one of these Rapid Rekletokniks. For instance, it can be attached through a carabiner via a swivel. The swivel is there, for example, through the bracket to the knob. This is also a budget-friendly solution to the situation. If we have a setting for a narrow carabiner mount, we could attach this to any carabiner. And then it fits perfectly. The load is evenly distributed and it sits well in the carabiner. But if we, for example, want to use a triangular repit, it's unlikely to fit because the wall is already quite thick. This isn't great for a wide belt either. It wouldn't work in the repit at this pace. This option is perfect for a regular carabiner.